By the end of the video you will know DIY fitness. How to design your bodyweight workout plan. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of bodyweight workouts. Before we begin, let's clarify a few things. Bodyweight workouts are not just for beginners or those on a budget. They can be challenging and effective for all fitness levels. So, if you're looking to save money on gym fees or have limited equipment access, bodyweight workouts are a fantastic option. Now, let's talk about the process of designing your bodyweight workout plan. Firstly, you need to determine your fitness goals. Are you looking to lose weight, build strength, or improve cardiovascular health? Once you know your goal, you can start building workouts to suit it. Next up, create circuits of exercises that target specific muscle groups or offer a full body workout depending on your goal. For example, if you're short on time but want a full body workout, try incorporating exercises that challenge multiple muscle groups simultaneously, like push-ups and squats. If your goal is more focused on building strength in your upper body and you have a little more time to spare, remember to take rest breaks between sets and keep track of your progress as you go along. And most importantly, have fun. The more enjoyment you derive from your workouts, the more likely they are to become a regular part of your routine. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful and would like more fitness tips and advice, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, stay fit and keep moving.